Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting your watch strap and lugs carefully. Measure the lug width in millimeters, commonly 18 mm or 20 mm. Check the spring bars for bending, rust, or wear and note their length in millimeters. Lay the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect the crystal and case. Gather a spring bar tool, a pair of replacement bars sized correctly, and a small tray to hold parts. Good lighting and steady hands make the repair faster and safer. Flip the watch so the strap faces upward and stabilize the case. Use the forked end of a spring bar tool to compress the bar gently. Press inward toward the strap center until the bar retracts about 1 millimeter. Work one lug at a time and maintain steady pressure to avoid sudden releases. Guide the free end out slowly and remove the strap from the lug. Place released bars and spring pieces into a tray to avoid losing small components. Take the replacement strap and insert one end of the spring bar into its hole. Compress the opposite end slightly with the tool while aligning the strap between the lugs. Push the compressed end toward the lug hole and slide it into position carefully. Release the bar slowly and listen for a faint click as it seats into the hole. Repeat the same process for the other side of the strap to ensure symmetry. Finish by pulling the strap gently to verify secure seating and proper one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.